So today I have Uno Flip. Okay, actually I don't know how to play this, but we're gonna just explore it. You wanna watch the video and see how we play? Okay, let's just do an unboxing first lah. Friends are not here yet. Only few friends are here. Where is all everyone go? So this is like, wow, this is the original Uno. And then when you turn it around, wow, it's the dark side. So like the dark side and the light side or whatever side, you know, like just turn your back side lah. Okay, this is the flip card. Something like they say according to the instruction, which is a long instruction. I don't really want to know what it's saying. Okay, so here this is the normal card. When we distribute, right, you will just look at the light side, the light side. So if someone naughty show this dark side card to you, you have to flip it around so everyone have to become like dark side already. So you have to use the dark side instead of the. Oh yo, so many sides lah. Later we play then we know lah. Okay, I also never played before. So excited. Where is everyone?
12 seconds later.
Call them. Call. Call. You see, they always late one, you know. When you tell them to come at 8:30, they come at 9:30. And you tell them to come 9:30, they come at 10:30. It's just a Malaysian timing, or I don't know, human timing. I think it's not even Malaysian. I think throughout the whole world everything happens like that. So anyway, okay, so excited. I'll just stay excited until they come. Okay, stay tuned.
Many hours later. Few moments later. 10 seconds later.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. A little longer than a few minutes later. Much later. 2 very boring minutes later. Minutes later. More moments later.
Wow, distribution of cars. I got pink color. Pink so nice lah. I got purple here. Wow. New card. So far is the new card. Pink color already. Where's the orange?
Three days later.
现在我们在玩 Uno 啊，刀你啊，刀为黑啊，我们已经放这样多啊，可是刀他了，还不要放我，慢慢买那个的那个买多，慢慢买中国背后ลูก我。orange。
背後啊。
orange 係。
來。
哦，
來啦。
錄咩？咩事啊？我睇哇！
我老誒，你借咩？
我出。
丟唔丟？
啊，我有本。
咩叫？
舊佬。
舊佬啊，屌！
哇，是 笑㗎。白格嘅人，
我啦，
只狗只狗笑。
白格嘅人，白格嘅表你
仔頭乜嘅？
塑料工人白鴿，
嘅，我白格嘅，我怕係格嘅，
咁乜？
我係格嘅。
塑料工人白鴿啊！
我冇講我係唔正，我講我係唔正，所以啊，我嘅嘅係佢二百。
塑料係就你
我係細粒嘅。